Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Yeah, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. As you can see here, I am in my barber shop. So today I have decided to start my vlog from this point of my barber shop. Yeah, I know you people, you have really missed my barber shop. You have really missed to see my barber shop. Yeah, I have got a client here. You can show them. Yeah, as you can see, I've got a speaker here. I have an amplifier. This is my amplifier. Yeah. Okay, this is a short cloth which I used to clean my customer. This is the cloth I used to. Okay, you can see this is my chair here, guys. Guys, can you see? Wow, wow, wow. This is my barber shop, and I've got a client here. Have a client. As you can see here, everything is okay. So today, don't forget that today is a party day. So after here, I'm going to the party. I'm going to the party, and I'm going to show you everything which will happen to the party there. Yeah, yeah. Okay, kindly guys, continue following me, continue tuning. Yeah, till the end. Watch the video. This is my client here. Oh yeah. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you feel? How do you feel my service in my home, in my office, in my barber shop here?
Very much.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's very much. Yeah, the way you have said, the service is good.
Yeah.
Okay, 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 guys. The way you have the way you have heard my client here is appreciating my service. I use this machine here. Yeah, it's called the Sander. It's wireless. Okay. Yeah. So kindly, guys, continue tuning till we reach the. So guys, as you can see, I'm leaving now. I'm leaving to the party. I'm leaving to the party. Yeah, from my barber shop. Let's go tune. Let's go together. Yes guys, my journey to the Brian's home. My journey to Brian's home. Kindly, let's go. I was wanting to go and buy for Brian something. Yeah, on my way, guys. Yes, the driver have said that want to fuel the motorbike. Yo, how are you? Okay. Can see you are busy working here. Yeah. So guys, now we have started our journey again. Guys, you see, we have an airport, we have an airstrip here in the village. You know, we have reached, you can see there, we have, yeah, okay, right now maybe you can't see it, but we have an airstrip nearness to our village. We have an airstrip. One day I'm going to come here and I show you the real life. That is real, I'm not lying. You can see beyond there is a flag. I don't know how it's called. It's called wind vane or windsock, yeah. You can see windsock there. Windsock is there. Yeah. That means I don't lie for you. We have an airstrip near to our village here. Yeah, so you can see. That's there. Yeah, as you can see, this is the parking of the parking. Parking is here. Yeah, parking of planes is here. You can see it there. You know, I'm in the hurry, so I was to stand and I show you well, but I'm in the hurry. I'm going to prepare a day to come here. So, by now, let's go. Yeah man, heading to the town, to our nearest town. It's called the Migori town. Yeah, we call it Migori town. I'm heading to Migori town, guys. Yeah, Migori town, and there's a county, it's Migori County. It has a county, Migori County. And it's a town, it's in Kenya, Africa, East Africa. Yes guys. Mpaka hapo tena nisimame. Yeah man, I've seen here a good flower. It's gonna be a Brian's gift and a grandma. Oi, mambo? 600. Okay guys, as you can see here, yeah, I'm going to choose a flower which I'm gonna buy for Brian. Na hizi hapa.
Kama gani?
Kama hii hapa.
Kama hiyo ni 1500.
Okay guys, it's very expensive. Hii ni 1500. Okay. She's telling me that this one I can buy for 1500. You have not seen my customer here. Yeah, I'm his client. Hey, how are you? This is my customer. Yeah, I'm his client. So I'm her client. It's her. Yeah. Yeah, I'm her client. So I want to buy her a flower. I'm going to walk around his garden here. I can see it's very beautiful, very beautiful one. So I'm going to, and this is my driver. Yeah, who I was with him. Yeah. So you are going to help me to choose a flower, okay? Yeah, but I don't want that much expensive. Please, kindly, you're gonna reduce for me a price, okay? Or it depends. It depends.
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course, there must be a discount.
Yeah, must be a discount. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. Tanture kuri vyambe bono kano na makendo ka kawaida. Hii ni ya kawaida. Hii ni ngapi?
Kipande inaendelea kugrow.
Ili inakuanga na mida.
Hizi zote ni 600 zote apart from me ndio 800.
Oh, hii ndio 800.
Hizo zingine zote ni 600.
Zote hizi ni 600.
Hii.
Okay, this one. Even this one ni 600. Na ina grow kiasi gani?
Hii ni fupi, very short indeed.
Oh, ni hivyo tu inakuanga.
Inasonga juu kiasi. Inafika pale.
Okay.
Lakini hizo zingine zote ni mrefu.
Oh, zingine zote ni refu. Yeah, guys, I'm trying to ask her about how did they grow. Yeah. Inachukua urefu gani? Hizo ni miti? Tanyoro kiambiri wiri ya reto kagora. Lakini ntari expensive ga yoga on very expensive. You can see even my driver is wondering how flower is very expensive here in the village. You know we are in the town, but yeah. Okay, guys, I don't know the name of this species. But I think in my past video I was telling you that I really love the flower. Yeah, I really love the flower. So I'm gonna take one flower for Brian's. You know, after emulsions have completed, so it needs a flower outside so that the compound can look very beautiful, very beautiful. Hizi sasa hizi ni za 1,000, si ndio? Nataka yenye inaweza kuwa ina grow at least yenye ina stay long. Unajua hizi hii stay long. Ina stay long.
Kabisa.
Unajua grow sana, yendi mbali.
Hii haishangi, hii naelewa ishi. Lakini hii lazima hii labda iende kama mbegu apande mingi, si ndio? Hii si unajua si unapandanga kijiji. Yeah, I'm asking how did he plant this flower, but I don't think if the flower have seeds. Sasa hii mti ni 1,000. Guys, they are very expensive. This tree here, I don't know which species is this. Araucarian. Okay, the tree is Araucarian. Just imagine Araucarian seedlings. She's telling me that is 1,000. One seedlings like this one. She's telling me that is 1,000, guys. Very expensive one. Sasa. Okay, I'm continue choosing. I've not decided which type of flower I'm going to take. So unataka kuni flower. Okay, guys, now guys, now in a play. I'm going to choose a flower. Let me see if this one can be okay. Lakini bei unanipunguzia sana. So guys, this is the flower that I'm going to take, but my customer here is very expensive, you know. Let me negotiate with her if we can. If I'm going to take the flower, so sasa sio unajua nataka nibaki. Unajua nataka ama nichukue. Na hii hapa ni ngapi? Kulika tu karibu. Hii nayo inakuanga mti kubwa eh.
Lakini tunaweza ukati.
Okay guys, this is the flower now. I can see this one. Once a sawa. Sasa nichukue hii. Hii na hiyo gani wewe unaona hii inaweza kuwa vipi?
But pia hii na ile iko sawa tu mimi naona.
Hiyo hapo.
Pia hii. Sina grow.
Hii inakuwa mti.
Si hata ile inakuwa. Ila si kubwa sana, inamea kama mio.
Hiyo.
So vijingo itoe wapi?
So guys, I'm this. Oh, please, in a comment, make sure you tell me which kind of flower do you love. You love this species here, or that one there? That one it look like a tree of mnazi, si ndio? Golden. Inaitwa golden. Okay, this species is called the golden palm. Oh, sorry. It's called
Golden palm.
Golden palm.
Tree.
Yeah, this golden palm. Yeah, so I want you to decide for me, which kind of flower do you love? Is this golden palm tree or is this one species here? It's called the crotums. Crotums, yeah, all that one. So guys, let me take hii. Nataka uniuzie hizi mbili, nikupea 700. Sitachukua moja na zinatakiwa zikuwe mbili, ama unipee hizi. Unipee
Hii bei yako ya mwisho ni ni ile ya bei nzuri kabisa. Hata kufai kuchukua panga hapo.
Tafadhali sasa hii acha nichukue hizo mbili.
Sasa sisi amekuchangia.
Amenichangia lakini hiyo bei imenifunga mahali. Sasa tukifanya hapo 700 pale ndio nani ya
sasa nimekufinya wapi? Ona. Nacheki. Nataka nibaki na transport hiyo. Niende kwenye niendea. So unajua hiyo ukweli.
Wakati unatumwa na transport ndio umepewa.
Sijatuma. Mimi hiyo nanunulia mtu kama zawadi. Hakuna mtu amenituma.
Haya, sasa tufanye.
I want to buy. Okay, she's saying that there is someone who have sent me. I've not sent with nobody, but I've decided to buy for Brian. For Brian's home a gift. You know me, I really love flowers, so that's why I want to take a flower to a Brian's home.
Stop reporting me.
Yeah, I'm not reporting you. Not reporting. It's not reporting. Okay, so unanifanyia
Hapo utanifanyia 800 kama ni mbaya. Kama usipende 850.
Okay, guys. She has said that I buy for 800. So I'm going to take which is green because this one for end here. Ama zile ni kama hizi.
Haikuangi green hapana.
Zile ziko different.
Eh?
Golden.
Different.
Hizo ni different na hizi.
Ile ni pure green na hii ni golden.
Sasa
Sasa hii haikuangi green. Hii ndio color yake.
Sasa si basi nibadilishe niende na green. Si ndio? No guys, green is good. Oh, hizo tunakuanga tuna hiyo kala.
Golden ile.
Ukweli? You know me, I've never come. I don't know this type of flower. But, Okay guys, so I'm going to take this one. Yeah, this one to Brian's home. Si unikatie hii basi. Nisumbue. Kona simu. So guys, have decided to take this one here to Brian. Yeah guys, how do this one? You really know this name of this flower because
Hii ndio biashara nafanya.
yeah. Okay. Eti inaitwaje?
Sifodia.
Siphobia.
Sifodia.
Siphobia.
King Alexander Palm. Najua hiyo ni nyepesi.
King Alexander
Palm.
Pumped. Alexander Pumped. Okay guys, this is King Alexander Pumped. Yeah. King Alexander Pumped. I've decided to take this one here because it will be better in the compound of Brian's home. Yeah, my gift to Brian's and the grandma, guys. Yeah. You know that very big mansions. It's better to have a flower to the compound so that it can look sweet. And not this one only. When I get another money, I'm going to buy a lot of flower so that I go and plant to the compound of grandma and the Brian so that the compound it look nice. Yeah, kindly guys follow me, Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, I'm a content creator. Go search if you are the new support, if you are new support to my channel, kindly go and search Jamaican Boy Africa, click the bell. Yeah, and that's love which you have to show me your love by subscribing my channel and watch the end. Yeah, I do vlog and very nice videos. Yeah guys. So I want to pay my customer here money, and I'm going to leave to the Brian's home now. At least. Yeah guys, now I have already bought the flower here. My sister have told me that it's called what?
King Alexander.
King Alexander. You know, I really forgot. So the list is here. Yeah, the list is here. I have bought it 800 Kenyan shillings. 800 Kenyan shillings. So I'm going to leave. So my sister, kindly thank you. Yeah, let me leave now. And if I want another flower, it come there. Okay. Goodbye.
Chicken squeeze.
Oh. Okay, now we want to tie the flower. Yes, the bike.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah, very nice one.
Yeah, very nice flower.
Yeah. And don't forget the name of this flower. You know, I'm going there and I will tell.
King palm tree.
King palm tree.
Yeah.
So I'm going to hold it. Ama ni utafunga?
You will hold that na blada.
Nitaishikilia.
Wewe katikati zaende.
Mura, eriko nera no tiri chafu.
Natarisha kitano. Yes, tuweka tu hapo lafu.
Erinde gotere.
Yeah,
Sanse
okay.
So guys, this is the list. Wow. So we are going to leave. So guys, we are leaving. I'm leaving the place of flower now. Direct to the Brian's home. Direct. You know today is a party. Yeah, so you can't go to the party here without any gift. You must have a gift while you go to the party. So my gift here is the flower. Today I've decided to buy a flower. Yeah, to a Brian's home. Yeah, man. Yeah, so guys, yeah, we are approaching the site of party. We are approaching the site of the party. As you can see here, I have got a flower. Yeah, so I'm going. So I'm going to the party, and as you can see here, I have got a gift. This is a gift of Grandma and Brian. We have decided to buy a flower, guys. Is it good to buy for someone? Direct to me. Okay, you know my driver here. Yeah. It's very making me happy. Guys, we are approaching to a Brian's home. Guys, me, I have decided to buy a flower. Yeah, buy a flower. Yeah, so that I can plant to a Brian's compound. You know guys, very nice flower, very nice compound. It's made a very nice flower, guys. Yeah, as you can see. And this flower is very expensive, guys. Yeah, it's very expensive. With the flower in the place, guys. Yeah, so thank you. So guys, my flower is here. I have already reached. Unaweza shuka. So I'm going to plant it, but not now. Waza. Ooh. Wewe chacha, umeendanga wapi? This is my friend here.
You know I've been sick, Jamaican.
Okay.
I'm not even very well.
Oh, sorry,
Sorry.
You mean it's the party?
Yes.
You said that you don't want to miss party.
Yes, I must come even if I'm dying.
Yeah.
I better be present. I see you are dancing.
Yeah, I'm dancing. You know,
Show me one move. Let me show them. Like,
yeah,
how?
sure. You know, you too. You are a dancer.
Hey, me, I dance.
I see your channel. Your short.
Yes.
It's very
Interesting.
Yes.
Now today
Dance.
I've seen you've arrived with gifts.
With the gift, man. There.
Let's
I
go
like
see
the
which
flower.
gift.
Yeah. Okay.
The Jamaican
I'm
boy.
going to come.
Yes. The boy is looking very tired. Osieko, how are you today? You're good. Are you sure,
Oseko.
Osieko?
So guys, this is my flower. You see?
Wow. This is amazing. Now we'll plant this.
Yeah.
You've come with
We'll
two?
plant this. Yeah, it's 2 of them.
Wow, this is so amazing.
2 of them.
Yes.
And the
We'll
the time of gift is not yet reached.
Yes, it will reach in the evening.
Okay.
Yes. This
So-
is amazing.
Yeah.
This is a good idea.
The plant is called King Bamboo.
King palm tree.
Oh yeah, King Palm tree.
That's
You know,
amazing.
I bought it very expensive.
How much for one?
For one is 400.
400 shillings.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's expensive.
It's expensive.
Around $4.
Yeah, around $4 for one.
So guys, this
For
is
two?
Jamaican boy. You can see he's the one who has come up with the idea.
Yeah.
It's a very good idea. So when
You know,
we plant,
I
we'll
yeah,
put
I
a tag
yeah,
Jamaican boy.
I saw like there is no any plant here which have been bought. So
Yes,
I,
yes.
there is no flower. You know me, I'm a lover of flower.
Flowers.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a lover of flower. That's why you see me. I've come with
Yeah, this is a nice
the one here
Yeah.
called
palm.
King
Palm. Palm.
So this my friend here.
Yes.
He has told me that he will not going to wait me.
He's going back.
How are you, my bro? But it's my advice to advice to him is that you just wait to take food first. Yeah.
20 crates. There is ng'ombe here. There is.
Yeah. There is
Just
everything.
wait.
Everything.
I could wait, but I'm in a hurry. Oh, you are in a hurry. Yeah. No problem.
Okay, now let me pay him first.
Okay, you pay
Now
him,
the money is
Jamaican
in
boy.
the phone here. So guys, here is done with the new look of today.
How are you, man?
I'm fine. Hey man, umeng'ara aje bana na suti.
Leo hii siku lazima tuheshimu.
Bana, ama ni aje? Hey, what's up? I'm fine. Kizo, safi mura.
My
You know,
brother, I have seen
at
you
the time,
come with some gift.
yeah, you know,
It's very good that you come with
yeah,
gift.
with the gift a day like today.
Yeah, I think it's really good that you've come with a gift
Isn't
for
it?
opening of the house.
Yeah.
I don't know how I didn't think of that.
Oh.
It's really good, you know, when someone builds a house.
Yeah.
Now, for the grand opening, it's very crucial that maybe people can give gifts.
Eh,
It's just
can
like when
give.
you have a birthday, people, it's good that they
Yeah.
bring gifts, right?
Of course.
Yeah. So how are you?
I'm fine.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah. I'm late because I go to town to find the flower.
Which town?
Migori town.
You went all the way to Migori?
Yeah.
Wow.
I went to Migori town.
Yeah.
I bought a flower. You know, I really question myself.
Mm.
You know me, I'm a flower lover.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Ah, my brother.
yeah,
you
Oseko.
do-
You know, maybe they have forget you.
Yeah, guys, I'm Oseko. My channel is Oseko Twins. Probably I can just show them.
Yes.
Yeah, I really appreciate what you have done bringing those gifts. I don't know how I didn't think about also, but
Okay.
it's not yet.
It's
Let's
not
still
yet, yeah.
we can go
Still,
over.
we can go over
Yeah,
and take
yeah,
many of
yeah. This is my YouTube guys.
Oseko twins.
So
Yes.
yeah, he's my good friend.
Yeah.
And I'm with my brother here.
Here
also.
is
Hello guys, my good name is Khalifa Miles.
Khalifa
So
Miles.
today we have been waiting for this day for almost 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So finally it is here. So we are finally doing the grand opening of this mansion.
Yeah.
So guys, if you are just watching me for the first time, my good name is Khalifa Miles in YouTube.
Okay.
And Khalifa, my name is short to me actually.
Yeah.
Khalifa Miles.
Khalifa
Miles.
Khalifa Miles.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So
Yeah, me too. Can I introduce?
yes.
I am Jamaican boy,
Jamaican
Africa.
So how long is it from here to
Yeah.
this coffee that you're wearing?
Yeah.
Okay,
Where do you
good.
get your?
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
They complement your look well.
Okay.
Guys, let me show you the look of the day.
Jamaican
Yeah.
boy.
The guy.
The look of the day.
Simple.
Simple thing.
Hapa,
but,
simama huku.
it looks
Very
like Travis
simple.
Scott.
Yeah.
It looks like a rapper.
Yes, very simple.
You ever seen those rappers whenever they go on stage to perform?
Yes.
This is how they always are.
Yes,
Simple,
Travis
but
Scott.
simple, but
Yes.
it's always so good.
Yeah, simple and cheap.
Simple, eh?
Cheap and simple. Simplicity defines you.
Yeah.
Ah,
So for us,
Simple and clear.
Yeah.
simple, you don't overdo.
yeah.
Okay.
Wearing, I don't know.
Yeah, simplicity is always the best.
Yeah.
So guys, for us, we're just relaxed over here.
Yeah.
It's a party day. I've seen lots and lots of people I've never seen before, so I guess those are guests.
Yeah.
So there are people also in the kitchen who are
They
working
just think
hard.
you are a guest. They just think they have never seen you. They just
So
think you are a
they
guest.
also think I'm a guest.
Yeah, and you just think they are a guest.
Yeah, but
So-
because I've been here for a minute, for
Yeah,
a
a
long
minute,
time, I
yeah.
know they are the
A
guests.
week late now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess those are the visitors.
Yeah.
They are here to,
Yeah,
also witness as the house is being opened.
Yes.
Things are a good thing.
Siku mingi.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna be here, guys, and see. Now the chefs are in the kitchen. They're working hard to make sure
I've
that
seen
the
Mara
meal is
from
ready.
the-
yeah,
from the
I've also
guest.
seen Maro is dressed in a nice
Dunga
suit.
suit.
Yeah.
Mudungo. Hiyo ndio inaitwa mdungo.
Yeah, even myself, I think I would have gone with a suit. If
Yes.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
But
But
anyways,
you know,
the
it's
good
the
thing
man of
is-
the hour.
Yeah, he's the man of the hour.
The man of the hour should look
He
good.
should
Yeah.
be dressed in the best way possible.
Yeah.
Best, of
Yeah,
course.
that's
So
good.
I'm not a man of the hour, of course. I'm just a regular guy from where I just
Just a
came
regular
from.
guy.
So we are just regular guys. We are
Yeah.
just here to witness.
Yeah. No, we are not a regular guy.
Yeah, no one is
Us
regular.
two here, we are visitor.
Yeah, we are
Here
visitors.
is not our home.
But what I
Yeah.
just know, you cannot dress more than
But yeah, you
the
should
man
be.
of the
It's,
hour. You have to give credit where
law
it
of power says
deserves.
that you shouldn't outmaster the master.
Yes,
Yeah,
that
outshine
is
the
law
master.
number 36
Yeah, in
of
the,
number the book.
the 48 laws.
Yeah,
of
the
power.
48 rules
Yeah,
of power.
you have to be very smart not to outshine the master himself.
Yeah.
So guys,
Don't
generally
outshine your
life is
master.
good. We are enjoying.
Yeah.
My good friend is over here. I'm glad that you brought the gifts.
Yeah, the
very
gift
important.
is there. Very important.
Very important.
Very important.
But
I
now
get
the-
you so creative, my guy.
Yeah, that's so creative. The
Yeah.
thing is now the wall hasn't
This
been.
this guy is so creative. You know, that's a creative way to do things.
Okay.
Yes, you know, you have to appreciate where you have been feeding from.
Of
Yeah.
course.
So at the moment you give appreciation.
And flowers make the compound
Look beautiful,
Yeah.
by
Yeah.
the way.
Look
Serenity.
Yeah, that,
A very good
Tranquility.
house like this, and it needs flower.
yeah, it needs flowers.
Yeah.
So that then people can appreciate everything.
course.
So good, so good.
So
So,
far, so
you wanna
good.
show people how they are cooking?
I want to show people
Yeah.
how they are cooking.
Yes.
How they are preparing for the meal.
Yeah.
Yes,
I'm so
sir.
hungry, I'm so
Hey, me
hungry.
too, me
I need
too.
the meal to be
Very,
ready
very hungry.
as soon as possible so that then we can eat. So you just go show them around
Yeah.
how the place has been arranged,
yeah,
and then
come back.
I'll be joining your video later. Because
Okay.
guys, tell your people I'm always gonna be in your videos.
Yeah, this is my video friend.
video friend. I'm gonna be always in your videos.
Yeah.
I haven't started my vlog
Okay.
because I just want to see what's happening. You know, it's good to be strategic. Study the
Okay, to start in the
But then,
atmosphere.
yeah, just show people around.
Of
And
course.
then we can see what's, you know.
Okay, let
Yeah,
me show people
how they're
around.
cooking.
Yeah, so guys, the people is busy cooking here. As you can see here, the people is busy cooking. People is busy cooking here.
Wearing suit. Let's get a talk from our boss.
How are you? I hope you're not live.
We are
no,
vlogging but not live.
Come on.
I saw you. I've never saw you with
Yeah,
this amazing
suit.
Yeah.
You look so fantastic.
Yeah, it's a suit.
Yeah,
Actually,
that's so
I'm missing a
fantastic.
tie because it's hot.
You're missing a
Okay.
bite because it's too hot.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
very
man.
hot.
You
Yes.
see, when you work hard,
Yeah.
then people come to celebrate.
Actually,
Yes.
that's for real.
But my point is,
Yeah.
you don't have to prove anyone that you are working hard.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So you just work. One day,
Yeah.
people will come and see
The progress.
Of course. Yes.
Because when you're working hard, sometimes you want somebody to see you working hard.
Yeah.
You don't need that. Yes.
Sure, that is it.
Looks smart, boss.
Yes,
Yeah,
today
very
is a very, very big day, boss.
Ah, yeah, big
What
day
do you,
for
what do you think? Let's get your thought from this side.
We are
What do you
grateful
feel?
to God.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
are very grateful. God has allowed this to happen.
Yeah.
And we give glory to God. And also we thank everyone that has contributed to this house.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
You know, me, I'm just a vessel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Me, I just stood here like, let's say, a foreman
Yeah,
to
man.
see the house to be done.
Okay. Okay, guys, here is boss. Yeah, with a very amazing look.
Aye. As I was saying, is we thank everybody who has contributed. Because without them, we will not be here.
Sure, that is it.
Because maybe one person would have contributed, just say 2 bags of cement. That should not push us here. Some people put thousands of dollars to see this beautiful
Home.
home, nice homestead.
Yeah.
Yes.
But boss, it's courtesy of you
Yes.
being pushing your community make this amazing
Change.
huge to happen.
You see, my job
Yeah.
is to show light.
Yeah, sure.
It's like I have a matchbox
Yeah.
Yeah.
in me.
Yeah.
Of course.
So I have to light,
To light the matchbox.
and then I pass the matchbox. I give it to you. You also light. Another person goes light.
Yes.
In 5 years, everywhere there is.
I have a
beautiful
question.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry for asking you this.
Yes.
How do you feel when you support someone and he or she gets successful and she or he don't want to support another one?
No, that is selfishness. That is not my intention.
Yeah.
Okay.
My intention is I help you.
You help another.
Others.
This world has a lot of money or a lot of wealth for
Resources.
everyone.
Yes.
Look, right now everybody has a phone here.
Yeah.
That means there is enough for everyone.
Yeah.
Of course.
So you shouldn't feel like you are the only one who needs it.
Yeah.
Because the day you die and you are the only one, everything becomes a forest and you
Yeah.
know, grass grows.
Yeah.
But if you're not the only one, it keeps going. That's why some families have ruled the world
Yeah.
for centuries.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah? Like the Rockefellers. These people, their great grandparents did
Banking,
bank up to today.
oil. Yeah.
That is because they don't see life as them, they see beyond them.
Okay.
You always have to see life beyond you. If you see life just you. Let's say somebody wants to pass a tipper in your land somehow, yes, 50-50, and you start complaining, then meaning you are not seeing the future. Because the future is if cars are started passing in that home, you are the next one to own
A tipper,
tipper
or you're the one who
cow
just
or-
bring.
But if you start complaining and you carry a machete,
Yeah.
You have destroyed the place.
closed.
You have closed the doors.
Yes.
Yes.
You have been a good role model
Yes.
to all of small YouTubers around our place.
Yes.
Maybe anything to encourage us as small YouTubers.
One thing I can encourage you is I have a YouTube video, not one, not two, more than two, with less than 500 views. Me. But I have others with 11 million plus.
You just show up daily.
That is to show you that don't look at views. You look at creating.
Okay.
Creating.
Okay.
And you become important if yourself you build value for yourself. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
You know why a driver is being paid 2,000 Kenyan shilling and a pilot is being paid $2,000? It's because the pilot has more value that he has created for himself than maybe a driver.
Exactly.
So if you want to be rich or you want to be important, you create value. You start talking to yourself, how can I make myself better, a better man?
Yeah, man.
Let's say you like to be jealousy. Oh, we started YouTube with this guy is doing better. No,
Yeah.
you stop. You say, let me focus on my art will push me to where
So
I am.
what you are supposed to do is not to compare with anyone.
No, just do your journey.
Okay.
Yes, grow as a man.
Okay.
You grow.
Ms. Marwa,
Yes.
there's a question here that I just want to ask today.
Yes.
I've been seeing you every day when you are back in your village.
Yes.
You are trying to achieve and to make something better.
Yes.
But people have been fighting you all along.
Yes.
How have you been managing all this without giving up until you get to success
No.
like the current situation now?
No, the thing is when you're doing good things, people have to talk about it.
Sure.
Thank you.
You know? So the way they talk is none of your business.
It's none of your business.
But they have to talk.
You have to talk.
Yes, because you're doing something. Yes, and again, people who have time to talk about you, it means they are very free.
They are very
They don't have things to do for themselves. Because as someone who is very serious, our horses have arrived.
Yes.
So someone who is very serious with what they are doing, they don't have time. Yes. Let me tell you, if you feel bad that someone is doing better than you,
Yes.
the best way you can fix that is to ask yourself, how can I learn from that person to also be better? That is the only solution. Otherwise, the other one will put a lot of resentment into you. Utakuwa unaamka asubuhi, you'll be waking up in the morning, that person has gone. Every day his views are going up, he's growing, he's buying this, he's doing that. You will kill yourself inside. Yeah. But it will be easy for you to say, what can I learn from this person?
Of course.
Naweza jifunza nini kutoka kwa huyu mtu?
Sure.
But if you say this one amebahatika, no. Let me hear Rocio is calling my wife.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So guys, I'm here with the boss today. Yeah. Storytelling and advising us about how to live in this life. Okay. Yeah, we are here with the boss.
Yes.
You have achieved this within a month.
Yeah.
I just want you to
Actually,
have
19 days.
Yeah,
19
19
days.
days,
17.
less than a
The
month.
world took us longer.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what kind of message can you send to our audience who are watching this video after all this big achievement?
It's because of them.
Because of them.
You know, me, I'm just Maro. Without subscribers, I'm not Marwa. Yeah. So you see, it's because of them.
It's because of them
Yes,
these
it's
huge
because
things
of them.
happen.
I want
Yes.
question.
Yes.
What do you think keeps you at the level now? What
It's
is the
because
one thing
it's,
that
be-
keeps you
it's,
there?
it's honest number one. You have to be an honest man. I keep repeating this. It's very hard to succeed if you're not honest. Yes. Very hard. You'll struggle. Utasumbuka, utateseka. As long as you're not honest. But when you're honest, you see when you're honest, for example, let me give you an example.
Yes.
You can't even lie. You don't want to take advantage that is not really yours.
Yeah.
You just want to do the right thing.
Yes.
That is all.
Yeah.
And honest guides you not to have even jealousy, not to. Honest helps you. For me, my religion is honest.
Okay.
So boss.
Ukiwa mtu kusema ukweli na kutenda haki,
Yeah.
mambo yako lazima yanyoroke. Lazima.
Lazima anyooke.
Okay, so boss, after this massive big step,
Yes.
are you planning to go back traveling?
We will see how God decided. Because I don't know who was here day one when we caught the thief. When we caught the thief, we didn't know we'll build a house.
Exactly.
You know, and now we have a house.
Yes.
Yes. You know, God has His own way of
God's
doing
plan
His
is the
things.
best.
Yes.
Your job is to do the right thing.
Yeah.
Yes. Like me, I was sent money to build a house. I have built.
You have built.
That
You have
is-
done your job.
I have done my job.
Yes.
Congratulations.
I look the youngest YouTube. Unafilmia nani?
Priska Sagate.
But boss, congratulations on this amazing that you have done here.
Yes.
Congratulations, this is amazing that you have done here.
Yes.
Our villagers are looking at you. And
You see, I keep telling people there is enough for everyone.
Yeah.
Kuna ya kutosha kwa hii dunia.
Yeah.
How many millions are there in Kenya? Money.
Many.
Why should you be poor and there are millions a lot, even if you know there's a lot? But you see, sometimes you don't believe that you deserve.
Yeah.
You have to believe that you also, one day, even me, I will do what? I'll be there.
Yeah.
Yes. But you have to work regardless of criticism or validation.
Yes.
Yes, cars have arrived.
Yes, because
Okay.
Saidia kupanga viti tuona watu
On this, telling guests from really now.
Oh, the car have arrived. Buga. Nani ataki chuchure?
That style, you can see.
Grand entrance. Wewe unaingia na bike wewe.
Unaingia na Mercedes Benz baada ya
Wewe, how are you?
Yeah.
Address press. Address the press.
Address the press. The Masare.
Yes, top driver.
Top driver, not top mason.
Top driver.
Top driver.
Driver commando.
Yeah.
Yes.
Want to be a driver tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay. You want?
Want that stress.
To be a driver. Yes.
Okay.
Either will be a driver of horse.
Or a driver of motor.
You'll be there one day.
Either you'll be a driver.
Even it
aeroplane,
horse.
you know that
Even the horse is
kind
there.
of-
He can
Oh,
be
they're
a driver.
convertible.
Yeah. I want
Okay,
to
Peter Masai.
put like this kishoka, you know kishoka.
Shocker like this
And the cooking is going on.
Let me
But they have delayed, Chacha. They have delayed to cook sana.
Oh,
Never
delay.
bachere sana.
tulifaa tukuja mapema.
Honey,
This is honey. Put for me here. a
put for
little.
Jamaican boy.
Kidogo.
Even me put for me. You know this is medicine.
Yeah, this
Enough,
medicine.
enough. So guys, you know in
Now
Africa,
we have started party. You know.
we have two types of honey.
Yeah.
There is bee honey and there is this one from the
Local
ants.
one.
Local one.
Kwani umeiweka chumvi?
Hii inakuanga hapo.
Oh.
This is Jamaican boy.
Yeah, Jamaican. Kindly guys, let me start with the.
Hey, you have some dance moves, my bro.
Eh?
Dance moves.
Eh?
I see you dance.
You.
Show them how you can dance.
Eh? You know dance move is natural, you know?
Yes, show them.
Yeah, I can show them.
Even
My-
you can ask Maro if he can dance. Maro, can you dance? You should see you dance.
Yeah, but let me arrange this. You know, we don't want a disorganized party.
Okay.
Kicho says he's hungry. Kicho is saying he's hungry. This guy.
You're hungry.
Lakini kweli hawa.
Yo. How are you, bro? Okay. Jamaican boy Africa.
Eh. Sasa hapa si Priska hapa.
Eh? Priska. So guys, we are organizing the place we're going to sit. We are organizing the place. Yeah, we are organizing the place, as you can see. Eh? Yeah guys, as you can see here, yeah, the food is uncooked. Yeah. Here is the kitchen. Guys, I'm telling you today I'm going to eat something which I have never eat. Hey, we have cooked here. And my sister is here.
Yeah.
I can see. You are very busy preparing for us food. Okay.
Yeah, we are cooking now, guys, and very busy.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. So we are waiting. You know, we are very very hungry. Yeah. Why are you late? You are late to cook today.
Yeah, I'm cooking today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. As you can see, you are with my sister here. Many sister of mine is here. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I can see you are chief chef.
Yeah, I'm chief chef here.
Okay.
It's only that I came late, but I just joined.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Manono.
Mano?
Manono.
Manono.
I was fancy Manono, and I just cut.
Okay.
I've just reduced my name like 3 times.
Okay.
Changing my name.
Oh, changing your name.
I was
Because
fancy
it's long.
One, I changed it.
Okay.
I was fancy Manono, I changed it. And the last, Priska changed it for me.
Yeah.
I'm Manono.
Manono.
Yeah, Manono 254.
Okay, guys, now kindly go and check for Manono. Check for Manono 254. Yeah. You are a content creator?
Yeah, I'm a content creator.
Okay.
Yeah.
You do film, video, traveler, or you do cook?
I cook. Yeah, I just walk around talking to people.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, this is my sister here, and we have met today. Today is the first day to meet.
This is the first time.
Yeah, because you know today is a party here. Yeah, that's why, guys, you can see we have got many visitors. You know me, I have been here before, like 2 weeks. Yeah, I've been here. So, guys,
with me, I was busy. Like I've stayed like 3 months without doing a video.
Okay.
So I have some issues.
Okay.
Yeah. So as per now, I'm now relieved.
Welcome.
Yeah, and I'm back again, guys. If you are new in my YouTube channel, go check Manono 254. I need your support, guys. This is the road to success.
Yeah.
Okay,
guys, kindly check for Manono. Yeah, for Manono 254 channel, and please kindly support her by subscribing. You know, when you subscribe, you show love.
And don't forget to watch till the end.
Yeah, watch till the end, guys. Yeah, here is Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, so guys, today I'm going to show you how the party is, how we are going to eat in the party.
If you check where I am right now, some people are approaching me from left, right, and center. Meaning I'm in the kitchen department. So
yeah, guys, this is the Magi. Yeah, guys, here is Mosabi.
Unyumba yake hakiara tafuta lakini bei ya rosa kutafuta poa poa mura.
You can see here Mosabi is cooking. Mosabi is cooking something here. Yeah, something good is being cooked here. As you can see, this is the farras. We call it horse. This is the horse of boss, yeah? This horse is belong to boss, you see? Yeah, as you can see. We sing it all. The horse is very nice. Yeah, you can see they are raising the wall. Yeah, the people there are raising the wall. Yeah, they are raising the wall, guys. This is a baby. Yeah, you know. This is a very nice car. You can see here. This is a very nice car. This is a BMW. This is your wish. Mwenyewe. Okay, guys, this man is saying that this is his wish. Yeah, and me too. BMW is my wish. Yeah.
Jamaican boy.
What's that?
How are you showing your viewers? You see nice cars here.
What? And nice very car. Nice car. You know,
very nice.
My dream is to have a BMW.
Yeah, I just want to have an Audi.
And even if that one is called
a Peugeot.
Peugeot.
Yeah, a Peugeot. It's from Germany.
It's from Germany.
All these are from Germany.
Okay.
Yes, Audi, BMW picture are from Germany.
All are from
These
Germany.
are German car.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice. Germany car. Yeah.
Yes.
Germany, you have a nice car.
Nice cars
Yeah.
from Germany.
Yeah.
These are very big brands. BMW.
Of course.
Look at the compound.
Okay, guys. I'm here going around. I'm here going around to show you. Yeah, to show you many places of the compound. This is Nico Buddha. How are you, bro?
Fine.
Finding me, yeah. How are you?
I'm good, man.
Yeah. Mambo.
You are here.
Yeah. I can see you are here.
Yeah, man.
Just waiting for the meal.
I waiting for meal.
Yeah.
Because today is a big day.
Yeah, you know today is a big day.
Yeah, man.
Of course. So
yeah, everyone.
Yeah.
Is want to eat.
Yeah, I want to eat.
Too much eating, my friend.
Yeah.
Drinking and eat.
Drinking and eat.
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you feel?
I'm feeling good. How many have you prepared for taking this food? You know, you may not. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Nico Buddha, let's go together there.
Yes.
We want only people in the kitchen.
Yeah.
But me today,
yes.
I don't feel
Why?
I feel it at the joint.
That is malaria.
Malaria.
Or maybe too much work.
Yes. Because since morning, I don't also want to eat.
Oh.
Yes, because I don't feel better.
Get pills for malaria or you go to hospital after eating good food.
Sorry.
Yes. Okay. Karibuni madam.
Boss.
Yes.
I came with the flower here.
Flower?
Yeah.
Flower for what?
Can I wait the time? I came like a gift.
Oh.
Yeah, for planting. Is there?
Oh, flower.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought flower.
Flower.
Ah, very good. This one, very good.
Yeah.
Top good. We will plant it today.
Yeah.
Actually, even me, I was looking for a tree. We need to plant trees.
Yeah, of course.
Hey, there's a guy called Peter. Ule Peter wa boda boda. Hey, mwambie enda lete miti. Hey, miti ya kupanda.
It's called King Bulb.
Palm, yes.
Yeah,
King Palm. Palm. It's a very good. I have this palm in my home.
Okay.
Very good.
Yeah.
And also they're very expensive.
Yeah, very expensive.
We will plant one there.
Yeah.
And one on the other side.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's wait for time to
I
eat.
see today you are shining.
Not just me, the entire
That's what
family.
even I want to say.
Yes.
You look so smart. Yeah, kabisa.
So guys,
Yes.
we are waiting for the ceremony to start.
Yes.
We are finishing in the kitchen.
You know, you should be the one creating a program. We don't have a program.
I'll do that 2 minutes. I'll be done.
Come
Yes.
quickly.
Yes.
Quickly, otherwise,
Yes.
you know here is Shagalabaga.
Yes,
boss. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Mike Izo. Yes, boss. Mike Izo was missing a suit. I wish you could have one. Very soon. Very soon.
The dad is here.
After working hard.
Yes.
You reward your family.
Let me both.
I need to go and shine.
Hey, go. Haya, wacha nitoke kwa watu. Nataka nifanye moja.
Okay.
This suit is the best.
Yeah.
Brother Doug, yes. What's up, guys? Why are you not in a suit first of all?
You know me, I'm a
chef.
boy that
You are a boy from Shamba.
I'm the way I am.
You are who you are.
Yes. What's up, guys? This is brother Dagi.
Hi, kijana. How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, can see you are here.
I'm here. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this amazing video. It's your boy here, Eliud Boke, guys. Please support me to reach 1,000 subscribers. I know you are 1,000 and...
No, I'm 2,000, rotting to 3,000 subscriber, and I've already monetized the guys.
Yeah.
So I'm feeling very better.
Wow.
I'm feeling better to meet Boss Marwa, and I'm here. Today is the Big day.
Yeah.
Today is the big day, big party.
Yes, guys.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself in my channel.
Okay, guys, Jamaican boy. I'm Jamaican boy. Okay, my name is Jamaican boy Africa. Yeah, Jamaican boy Africa. Yeah. So kindly guys, go and search Jamaican boy Africa and show love by clicking the bell there, by subscribing. Kindly support my brother here. Yeah, my brother here, kindly support him with giving him a lot of subscribers, many subscribers, so that even him can reach where people they are.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
How are you, man?
When I grow up, I want to be like you.
When and you're already older than me.
When I grow up, I want to be like you. I want to be like you. I want to be like you.
You are very. Sit down.
Yeah.
Well done. Why don't you spray the
perfume? I did it.
You did it?
Trust me.
Okay.
Yes. Shelly.
How are you?
When we have eaten or not eaten.
Yeah.
We are used to it.
Jamaican.
Very fine.
I don't know where for the matches.
I'm fine.
So guys, welcome to Jamaican Boy Africa.
Jamaican Boy Africa.
Guys, we are doing it today. It's a very big day. The party is
a big day.
A big day, very big day, guys. So stay tuned. We're gonna enjoy this amazing party. Of course. Yeah. So stay tuned. Like the video, share the comment where you're watching us from. Yeah, I know. I go by the name Gold Sun Sam. Yeah, man. The name is here.
You know, we have been here around 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, you know, we have been doing very
amazing, guys.
Very amazing.
Yeah, you can just see, guys. We started with the house.
Yeah,
the house is done. We came to the perimeter wall.
Yeah,
it is done.
Yeah,
almost done also.
Almost.
Yeah, you can see the cleaning. Yesterday we were doing the cleaning.
Yeah, yesterday we are the one who was cleaning the compound.
Yeah, so guys, we are really loving what we do.
Yeah,
and guys, kindly consider subscribing. That's how you can make us proud. Guys. Yeah, that is it.
That is it. That is. Guys, they prepare the chapati here. It's chapati preparation. They cook for chapati. You can see Priska Sagati here is the big chief chef who have been with you around 2 weeks.
Yes, but I am not talking for now. I'm sorry.
Okay, you are busy.
Yes,
I can see you are busy. Yeah, of course. Okay. Don't be spoil things because we are here waiting for it.
I know.
Yeah. So guys, I'm showing you how they do prepare the chapati. Yeah. This one here, my guy. How are you, bro?
Yeah, my guy.
Yes. Okay. Jamaican boy Africa.
You like Jamaican guy?
Yeah, I like Jamaican guy. How are you? I can see here you are busy operating here. The pan.
Yes. Anyway, my people, I'm come by African Jeremy.
Jamaican boy Africa.
Jamaican African boy.
Jamaican boy Africa.
Yeah. Yeah, of course, I can see here you are busy. And I can see you are Kaparo of today.
Yeah,
you are chief chef?
Yeah, in profession.
Okay. So you mean today we are going to eat very amazing
food?
Okay.
Yeah. Go and check me out.
Yeah.
I'm African Jeremy.
Yeah.
I have a content.
Yeah.
My channel and next content.
Yeah.
So go and check me out.
Yeah, man.
Comment there.
Yeah.
Watch my video.
Yeah.
Yeah, my people from this side.
Yeah.
Help my brother to grow.
Okay.
Road
to 3,000 subscribers.
Wow. So please support this channel.
Yeah, support channel, guys. As you can see, we are here because of you. We are here, you know. We have been here, Jeremy. We have been here
around 3 weeks ago.
I see you the day.
Yeah.
I see the day which you came and blame about.
Oh, about phones, yes.
I see. I used to watch it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see you really follow.
The site.
Yeah.
Constructing.
Okay.
You are being blessed.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
But you decide to help and forgive those
Yeah.
things, the past things.
Yeah.
God is going to help to bless you.
Thank you.
So, be blessed.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, here the preparation of chapati is going on now, but not that we are very hungry. You know, as from morning, we have not taken anything.
From home?
Yes, because we knew that here we are coming to be satisfied. Norangengus.
Hii ni ya ng'ombe mzee.
Guys, hii ni ya ng'ombe.
Supu ya ng'ombe.
Guys, hii ni supu ya ng'ombe. Hii ni supu ya ng'ombe, guys.
So guys, keep watching the video. Now it's coming up. I like those babies. Babies. Mungu kama ile moja. Wacha bana, wacha kucheka bana. Wacha bana.
Eti Mungu
kama ile moja.
Kama ile.
Kama ile.
Moja tu.
Moja.
Hii hapa ama ile? Hii hapa.
Siwezi beba nayo.
The white one. Hauwezi beba wanawake.
Siwezi beba nayo. Kwa nini nayo kanisani?
Utaenda nayo kanisani pekee. Kama hiyo.
Kama hiyo.
BMW. Haiwezi beba wanawake.
Bro, if I will get one like that and then I die tomorrow, no problem. I will be achieving my dreams.
Okay. Yeah. Of course, it's nice car. It's very, very nice one. Yeah. BMW.
The one. That is on. The babies are there.
Hii supu unasema ni safe.
Ni safi.
Ni safe kabisa.
Yeah, ni safi.
Umeitorea wapi?
Pure.
Ni ya mwisho kabisa.
Pure hiyo.
Kabisa hadi iko na nyama. See guys, ona supu. It has a lot of cooking oil.
Bro, I'm crazy.
With the BMW.
I'm crazy with that car.
Brother Dagi, how are you? Okay.
Nikionaga zile watu natokwanga na wazi.
Today you say you are not going to sleep.
The only nyash that give me sleepless.
The white one.
The only nyash that give me sleepless.
Okay. Guys, this man here, he really love BMW.
BMW is my car, bro.
Anasema Mungu akimpea hiyo hawezi beba wanawake.
Wanawake si baby now. I can't drive girls in that car.
You can't.
I will go with it on the church, only church. I can't. Huwezi beba nayo wanawake.
Okay.
I can't hold it with them. The women's will not be on that car.
So guys, here these are supu. Yeah, tunaendelea kukunywa supu tukisubiria chakula mingi ipikwe.
So, give special thanks to the one that came together and contributed his money to Grandma. And actually, I know even Grandma now, his heart is now at least, moyo wake najua umerudi kwa ujana. I'm sure of it. So, without breaking
Yes. Yes, guys. Jamaican boy. We're in the party here with the Nico Buddha Shamba boy.
The Shamba boy. Maybe one person might ask, but on the amount that has been spent, naomba urudie tu na usiseme statement mingi. Yes. Naomba urudie tu.
That has been expended, the expenditure, the expenses since this construction started is 5.3 million. 5,300,000. Okay, so I'm going to welcome the court, Marwa, Sudan, and
This guy is the one bringing water to the site.
the owner of his grandmother. Thank you.
Haya, sangwe na vigelegele mkubwa akiamka tafadhali. Thank you very much.
Yeah, boss now, yeah.
Watu pia wanatuona kwenye mitandao, watu wa mitandao na wanatoka kutoka Amerika, kutoka UK, tunachanganya lugha. Ndio wale pia wasishindwe hao. Guys, I'm saying, where is here? I'm saying come back to kwa sababu guys, I'm saying because the audience, much of them haya, kwa neema ya Mungu na wasaidia jambo.
Jambo.
Hatujambo. Asageso hatujambo. Hatujambo. Mimi nashukuru Mungu kwa sababu amenipa uzima na amenipa baraka, amenipa maisha, na kupitia hiyo mimi pia nasukuma hiyo kwa wenzangu. Nasukuma baraka kwa mtu, nasukuma napea watu uhai. Sasa mimi ni Mungu, but ile furaha ya kuwa mzima. Ulipokuwa unasikia baridi, unaona dunia imekuchosha, ulikutana na Maro, wakati mwingine anakupea hata kasoda, wapi kazi. Leo tumejengea mama mjane nyumba na kijana ambaye hana wazazi nyumba. Hiyo yote ni kwa neema ya Mungu. Wala mjai kutana na mimi naitwa Maro. Na ningependa kusema kabisa sina nia ya kugombea kitu chochote. Kwanza msimkutane useme mheshimiwa, sina nia. Nia yangu kubwa ni kuelimisha watu. Pia translate. Yes, nia yangu huwa na translatea watu kwa Kizungu. Nia yangu kubwa, hao kwanza mmesimama hapo mjini mpea wale nafasi. Nyumba huyo wangali wameamua atuharibie sherehe. Nimemwambia achie hapo tu. Haya, nia yangu kubwa kabisa ni kubadilisha akili za watu. Mimi nimeenda nchi 74 kote ulimwenguni bila kurudia, na nikirudia zinafika kama 150. Nchi kama zile za Amerika mnasikia mimi nimezivuruga karibu zote, yani sehemu zote. Hapo uzunguni ukisema sijui Italy, ukisema Spain, ukisema wapi. Watu naona mke nilitoa huko Argentina kwa sababu ya safari zangu za huko na huko na huko. Lakini bado mimi napenda Afrika sana. Mimi hata sipendi Kenya. Mimi napenda Afrika. Napenda yule mtu anitambulisha kama Mwafrika. Mimi sielewi Mkisii, sielewi Mtanzania, mimi naelewa Mwafrika. Kwa sababu mara nyingi ukipanda ndege hapa, ukienda hizo nchi za huko, wanakutambua kama Mwafrika. Hawakutambui kama sijui Mkisii, ama anapigia Mkisii sana kwa sababu wakati mwingine wanapita Wakisii. Hawakutambui kama Mkisii, Mkuria, Mjaluo, Muluhia, Mtanzania, Mugana, wanakujua tu kama Mwafrika. Na ndio ukiona mimi mara nyingi wala watu tunahusiana, mimi sina ubaguzi. Uwe maskini, uwe tajiri, mimi nakuona kama Mwafrika mwenzangu. Mapambano yetu ni moja tu, umaskini. Hiyo ndio shida yetu kubwa. Huyo ndio tunapigana naye. Yaani kama kuna mtu anakupiganisha kwa hii dunia, inafaa akuwe mtu huyu. Nini rafiki yangu? Umaskini. Umaskini utakuondelea shida. Umaskini ukisha ufukuza utakupea nyumba mzuri kama huu, kama hii unaona hapa. Umaskini ndio shida yetu. Si ukabila, si ule ni nini Murwanda, si hiyo. Mimi sielewi hiyo. Hiyo lugha mimi sielewi. Hata kwa moyo yangu au moyo wangu sielewi hiyo lugha. Ndio maana mara nyingi mimi sibagui. Hata si mara nyingi, mimi sina ubaguzi kabisa. Uwe ndugu yangu, uwe dada yangu, uwe jirani yangu ule maskini wa mwisho, uwe jirani yangu ule tajiri, mimi nawachukulia sawa. Hata baba yangu yuko hapa, anajua hiyo kweli, sibagui. Na ameongea hapa na amesema tutumie mitandao kwa kujenga jamii, si kubomoa. Mimi nataka niwaulize swali moja. Hii Kenya iko na milioni ngapi pesa? Hii Kenya iko na milioni ngapi mzee? Wewe. Trillions. Mbona mama kama huyu akijengewa nyumba kadogo ka milioni 2, 3, 4, 5 unaanza kuona wivu? Na mamilioni watu wako nazo humu. Mbona wewe pia usijenge katika laini ya kufaidika, uone venye wengine wao wanatafuta hela, pia wewe ukue? Badala ya hiyo unaanza kuongea hawa ni mashetani, ni Freemason. Badala utaje kujua. Alafu venye Priska aliongea hapa kuwa sisi tunapenda mambo ya umaskini sana. Kuwa mtu akitajirika wanaambiwa ameenda andago. Ama mtu akitajirika huyo ameingia mambo ya nini?
Ilumi.
Freemason. Sasa wewe unaomba Mungu maskini? Bora mimi sipendi Mungu maskini. Na Mungu kama Mungu wa Abraham alikuwa anapeana Abraham ng'ombe, kila kitu hii dunia Abraham alipewa. Mbona wewe eti mtu akipewa hiyo mali unamuona huyu ni shetani? Wewe unaamini tu Mungu lazima uwe maskini na Mungu ndio zinaendana. Hiyo mimi nimeionea tu huko hapo. Huko uzunguni mimi nimetembea sana hizo miaka 9. Nazunguka huko nje. Hata huu mwaka nimekuwa huko nje sana. Huko nje hata mara nyingi hawaombi Mungu na wameendelea. Sisemi kuwa Mungu hayuko. Kitu tunajaribu kusema ni kwamba sijui mbona sisi wa Afrika tumeamini kuwa ukitajirika ni mambo ya ushetani. Ukisema hivi hawa watoto wadogo hawa wanakuwa hapa, wataamini kuwa maisha yale halisia ni umaskini tu. Yaani hiyo ndio lugha wanaelewa. Kuwa wadosi na nini, hiyo ni devil worship. Hiyo ni kitu moja nimeona huko Afrika tunasumbuka sana nayo. Na hiyo inaletwa kwa sababu tumezoea umaskini. Na ni kitu moja pia ningependa kuongelea hapa. Haya, pole mzee. Kitu moja ningependa tuongee hapa sana ni mambo ya mabarabara. Hakuna venye hii nyumba ingejengwa bila tipa kuja hapa. Ukweli uongo?
Kweli.
Kwa hivyo wale watu wanafunga mabarabara pote pale, ujue unafunga nini? Maendeleo. Wewe ni rafiki wa nani? Umasikini. Na watu wa kijiji ningependa hata wale wanatuona kwenye mitandao wajue kuwa ukiona mtu anafunga barabara ujue huyu anapenda nini. Bila hii barabara hapa hii nyumba ingejengwa.
Hata mimi nataka hii kichoko nishikie.
Ningependa kuambia watu kwamba zile nchi mnazotamani kwenda Amerika, uzunguni. Kitu ya kwanza ukifika tu kwa hizo nchi unaona ni mabarabara. Mabarabara masafi, gari zinakimbia hivi. Kwa hivyo kama uko na shamba na mnapambania barabara, ndio nifungue leo. Bila hivyo wewe ujue wewe ni rafiki wa umaskini. Alafu hata sasa nikikuuliza hapa, nionyeshe sokoro yako hapa. Hii inamaanisha nini? Hizo kanjia kadogo unang'ang'ania, siku moja utakufa, uliache wapi? Hapa. Sasa heri tu ufungue watoto wako, siku moja wakija watapanda gari nzuri kwa barabara mzuri, waende shule, manyumba zitajengwa, vijana wa kijiji watapata kazi. Unaelewa? Hiyo ni kitu ningependa sana kufunza watu hapa. Yaani nimegundua siku hizi mtu akitaka kujenga tu, jirani anashika panga anasimama kwa barabara. Bila barabara, yaani mimi nawaambia, bila barabara hii Afrika haiwezi jenga. Barabara ndio inajenga manyumba, si nyumba inajenga barabara. Kwa hivyo mimi ningependa sana wale mnang'ang'ania mabarabara na mashamba, panua yani barabara. Mkipanua hizo barabara mtaona maendeleo. Nawaambia ukweli. Haya, sitaongea sana. Leo si siku yangu. Leo ni siku ya Goko, tunamuita Goko kwa mtandao. Wale hamjaambiwa story ya Goko venye tumejenga hii nyumba, muifuatilie pole pole, muambiwe juu ni ndefu kidogo. Lakini kwa ufupi hii nyumba imejengwa na siku 19. Na ni vizuri tuiseme hivyo. Lakini ukuta ndio tunang'ang'ana nao pole pole. Kwa sababu wale waliotusaidia kujenga hii nyumba, wengine wakiwemo wa Kenya, sana wale wa nje waliochangia hawajui mambo ya ukuta hapa. Ukuta tu unajulikana huko Afrika. Ukienda uzunguni ama Amerika, wanajenganga manyumba hivi na hakuna mtu anaingia kwa hiyo nyumba. Kwa barabara hakuna ukuta kubwa hivi, hata uwezi ona pande hiyo. Hizi kuta ziko tu huko Afrika. Niwaambia mimi nimeenda nchi 74. Sasa kwa wale waliotusaidia kujenga nyumba, tukiwaambia tunajenga ukuta, wanashtuka hii ni nini mnafanya? Kwa sababu wao hawajafanya nini? Hawajazoea mambo ya ukuta. Kwa sababu huko nje watu wameinuana, hata umaskini ile nasumbua watoto kwenda kuiba na nini haipo. Mtu anaamka asubuhi anafikiria nitajengaje kwangu, nitasaidiaje? Lakini umaskini ninaleta shida yote. Umaskini unaleta wezi, umaskini unaleta wivu. Mimi najua sijui wivu. Kwa moyo wangu mimi sijui wivu kabisa. Kwa sababu unaoneaje mtu wivu na Kenya iko na trilioni? Wewe ungang'ania trilioni kwenda huko. Unaoneaje mtu wivu na Mungu amekupea miguu, amekupea mikono. Na kitu moja nataka niwafunze ni kwamba ukiwa na wivu, haki hivyo huwezi songa. Hata ukikwamilia pesa kwa mfuko, hauwezi songa. Mimi niwafunze hiyo leo. Mimi kitu moja imenisaidia, watu wanadhani mimi ni tajiri. Lakini mimi najua utajiri wangu ni kupeana. Na baada napeana hiyo pesa bado narudi. Na kuna siku utakuwa maskini kwa kusaidia mtu. Hiyo mimi niwaambie. Na huwezi filisika kwa kusaidia mtu. Bora tu umsaidie na moyo msafi. Usisaidie mtu ukisema wacha nikusaidia alafu nikatie shamba yako huko chini. Na wale wanauliza huyu mama atatulipa aje huyu Goko? Hakuna kitu tumeomba, hata mimi ndio nimesimamia hapa. Na nasema kwa umati wa watu. Hakuna kitu tumeomba huyu Goko. Hata yeye mwenyewe anaweza thibitisha mbele ya jua, mbele ya giza, hakuna kitu tumemuomba. Sisi kitu tumekuja hapa ni kuchangia, kufukuza umaskini. Hiyo ndio imetuleta hapa. Haya, wale wanauliza hii pesa mnatoa wapi? Mtu kama mimi nimefanya kazi ya mitandao miaka 9. Hata wewe kama unalima shamba miaka 9 na huko mtu serious, Mungu hawezi kufungulia baraka. Miaka 9. Unajua watu wamekuja kujua mambo ya YouTube kwa siku nimefungua nyumba yangu hapa 2023. Lakini YouTube imekuwa karibu miaka 30 na kuanzia 2015 hata si 205. Kuanzia 205 YouTube, hiyo ni 20 years. YouTube imekuwa na ma-YouTuber huko Amerika na kwingine ni matajiri sana. Na uzuri wa YouTube ni kipaji chako venye unaongea na watu. Hakuna kitu mnang'ang'ania na mtu. Si kama shamba, ujilitamboko. Ujilitamboko, msijilitamboko. Hakuna. YouTube wewe ufanye kazi yako na watu wakubali kazi yako. Haya, neno langu la mwisho kwa vijana. Vijana, kitu utafanya usaidike kwa haya maisha ni kuwa tu mwaminifu. Mwaminifu tu. Yaani hiyo tu. Mimi ukiniuliza siri yako wewe ulifanyaje? Mimi niko hivi. Wala tumefanya nao kazi hapa. Hata Daniel yako wapi? Sijui ameenda wapi. Hata wale wananijua tu. Kitu mimi sipendi ni mkora. Sababu mtu mkora hata anaweza kukuulia na shilingi 2. Kwa sababu mtu mkora mara nyingi yeye anapanga deal umeionea wapi. Lakini mtu mwaminifu anataka apige kazi na hiyo kazi ifanye nini? Imsaidie akamilike afanye mambo yake. Kitu kinafanya watu wengi sana hawafanikiwi vijana ni kutafuta vitu haraka. Yaani wewe umeona mimi nimepata. Wewe pia unataka hapo. Hata iwe giza iwe mchana unataka utumie mbinu yoyote ile upate. Mimi nimefanya YouTube miaka 9 jamani. Msifanye shortcut vijana. Wewe amini kama Maro alikuwa kwa hii kijiji na akafanya na akafanikiwa. Na ameshika vijana wengine hapa mkono, nyinyi mnaona tu na wanafanikiwa. Enda tu pole itakuja. Enda tu pole itakuja. Ile haraka utapata umefanya vitu hata zile si hivyo. Utafanya unatusi watu kwa mitandao, unatusi mama za watu, unatusi watu tu eti ndio watu waone video yako. Na hiyo hauwezi fanikiwa rafiki yangu. Yes. Sijui kama kuna mtu ako na swali kuniuliza direct tu. Tunarudi kwa mama sasa. Mzee uko na swali, nimeona umenisikiliza sana, nimependa usikilizi wako. Ule uko nyuma. Hauna. Mama yule uko na swali. Umevaa hauna. Haya na pande hii, huyu mzee mwenzetu. Swali. Uliza, haina shida. Maybe unashangaa, unataka kujua, uliza.
Sina swali.
Yes.
Ile kitu mimi nitaweza ongea.
Ndio.
Nimefanya kitu kingine ambao sitasahau maishani mwangu. Sikuwa nafikiria kama nitatoka Kisii nipite kuona kitu kama hivi. Mpaka nimekuja kuona mpaka mtu ndani nipita kunifikia leo.
Yes.
Na wewe nimekuona leo.
Asante.
Hii kitu nimefanya hakuna mtu akiona. Lakini yule mtu anaendelea kutuma maneno kwa mitandao.
Ndio.
Kuenda kutusi watu kwa mitandao ni kitu ambacho kitu anaongea. Mimi nasema Mungu akubariki kwa ile kitu unafanya kwa Mungu. Na ufanyie wengine.
Asante. Wale wanajua hii si nyumba ya kwanza tumejenga. Tulijenga kadogo na miaka inazidi kusonga, tunazidi kufanya nini? Nafikiria siku moja Mungu akinisaidia nitakuja kufungua shule ya vijana. Wanasoma kompyuta, wanasoma mambo ya filming, mambo ya muziki. Inaitwa sanaa. Nitakuja siku moja nitatafuta shamba hapa hivi, yule unasikia kuna shamba kubwa mniambie. Vijana mtakuwa mnakuja huko mkue kabisa. Na mastaa watazaliwa hapa. Na hakuna mambo ya ushetani sijui nini tunaingia. Unajua shida ni kwamba watu wanasema ni ushetani na watu wanazidi kufanikiwa, wao wanazidi kubaki huko maskini na wivu. Badala ujiulize hawa watu wanafanya aje ni nini? Nchi zingine zimeendelea kupitia hizo sanaa. Diamond Platnumz ni msanii. Yeye unaweza mleta hapa hivi. Sasa. Jamani. Haya, ningependa pia kushukuru familia yangu iko hapa. Kwa sababu bila wao kunisaidia mimi, kujisaidia alafu nisaidie wengine haingeweza. Ningependa familia yangu isimame tu ipunge mkono jamani. Yes, huyu ni ndugu yangu mdogo. Anaitwa David Junior huko YouTube. Na niko na dada yangu hapa. Kuja sister, wewe lazima kuja hata brother tu. Yes, I want to just film me. Nataka niwa introduce kidogo hapa mjue hata familia yetu. mzee hata Mr. Ondai Rosio Camp is my family. Nataka tu niwaelimisha kidogo tu. From now I'll speak English. This is after me, ni huyu. You can introduce yourself.
Hello everyone. Yeah, my name is Dee.
Hao mmesimama katikati mtapeana nafasi wale waongee sana.
Yeah, my name is Dee Mwango, Mara's sister. I came here because he supports me a lot, so if I don't show up, it's not a good picture. So just to appreciate you, Mara, you're doing a good job. Congratulations. So proud of you, and God bless you.
Wacha niwape story kidogo ya sister yangu. Kila mtu liko na story yake. A small story with my sister. Mimi nikianza YouTube, which year was that? When I came back home.
2018.
2018, yes, 2018 December. Mrudi nyuma kidogo ndio kila mtu apate nafasi. Watu wa video. Nikianza YouTube, nilikuwa nimefanya YouTube karibu miaka 3 na nikakuja nyumbani hapa Nyabohanse, nimetoka Amerika. Sasa mimi nimejua hii YouTube inaweza saidia mtu ajisaidie. Sasa nikaambia dada yangu, nataka nikufunze kitu inaitwa YouTube. Hiyo kipindi nilikuwa namwekea kamera kwa uso hivi. Dada yangu alikuwa anafanya hivi. Sitaki vitu ya kufilm. Hizi vitu anasema mtoto ako nyuma hapo. Angalia watoto, yani alikuwa anatafuta excuse. Sasa dada yangu huyu nikamlazimishia. Nikamwambia mimi hakuna siku tu niomba pesa nikupe. Na siku moja nikija kuwa tajiri, hiyo kipindi sijakuwa tajiri. Hata saa hii bado mimi sijasema niko tajiri. Na niko kwa upande wa kusonga mbele. Nikamwambia dada yangu, usipokubali nikufunze hii mambo ya YouTube, siku moja usikuja kusema ndugu yangu wewe ni tajiri na unisaidie. Nikamsukuma kumsukuma. Alikuwa kipindi kingine anaweka nywele. Anasema nimepiga video hii nywele nataka nitoe. Watu wameiona hii shati wameiona siku 3. Alikuwa anasema na mimi namwambia dada wewe ng'ang'ana twende. Sasa hivi venye tunaongea Afrika mzima hakuna YouTuber msichana ambaye anasafiri dunia kama huyu hapa. Na amerudi kwa kijiji hapa, wale wasichana wajiamini wamuone. Kuna wasichana wengi hawajiamini wanasema mimi kweli. Ona hapa msichana nganga. Yes, asante sister. Haya, thank you. Kana hapa sister. Anaitwa Dee Mwango huko YouTube, mfuate. Ameenda hata nchi, maybe nadhani amenishinda huko. Hey. Hata Amerika ameienda hiyo. Hii YouTube hii watu wanaita devotion. Wewe endelea kuita devotion rafiki yangu. Haya, thank you sister. Huyo anaitwa David Junior. Ndugu yangu mdogo.
Simu yangu hii.
Nikianza YouTube
hit.
Yeye alikuwa akishika kamera hivi anasema hello, anaweka kamera chini. Kwa sababu alikuwa shy kwa Kiswahili namna gani? Mwoga. Hata video yake ya kwanza ukienda YouTube channel yake mimi ndio nimemfilmia. Na namlazimisha namwambia wewe twende tu. Utazoea pole pole. Leo hii amesafiri dunia, anajitegemea, anajenga ghorofa huko Nyabohanse, anajenga ghorofa huko. Hata unaweza dhani ni government. Haya, asante sana. Nashukuru. Haya, here is my wife. Yeye anaongea, yeye hasikii Kiswahili kidogo kidogo. Say hello to the people.
Bye Ale.
Nzuri.
Bila yeye kuniruhusu kukuja hapa, mimi singekuja. Yani, I'm saying without you allowing me to come here, I will not be coming. Wakati mwingine nilikuwa natoka kazi hapa usiku, nafika nyumbani ananingoja tu kwa mlango hapo. Nimechoka. Wakati mwingine namwambia mama, nasaidia kijiji yangu pia ikuwe kama kwenu. Huko kwenu mmeendelea. Nataka nisaidie kijiji yangu pia yenyewe ing'ae. Na akaelewa, ndio nimefika leo hapa. na ndio unaona hii nyumba hapo. Na ukiona mwanaume anafanya vitu mara nyingi, mke wake pia hapo hapo. Ukiona mwanaume afanyi mambo, jua pia hata huko kwake mke wake hamsupport sana. Kuna mama mwingine alikuja hapa kupiga block usiku. Hapa kazi ilifanywa usiku na mchana. Kuna mama alikuja kupiga hapa block usiku na bwana yake. Aliniguza sana na namtafuta ule mama. Hata kama ni ng'ombe tutamnunulia. Tuende kumsaidia kukamua. I know you don't understand. Makofi kwa ule mama aliyepiga block hapa usiku. I'm saying without you supporting me, this house may not be here. Without you allowing me to come here, I told them the story. I used to come home very late and very tired. Sometimes you look at me like this and I tell you I want to help the village. Yes. I don't know if you want to say anything in English.
Hello, my name is Rocio. I come from very far in the other side of the world, from a country named Argentina. Maybe you know it for football. And it's almost 2 years that I've been here in the motherland, that the motherland has welcoming me, and I'm very happy, very grateful about it. I'm learning your language to show my respect and my honor to this place and to all of you. I have learned a few things in these 20 days.
Nimejifunza kitu kidogo, I will translate.
Yeah.
Anasema yeye anatoka Argentina, kwao ni mbali, na anajaribu kujifunza lugha ya hapa kuonyesha heshima ya hapa. Haya, anasema kwa siku 20 zilizopita amejifunza mambo mengi. Yes.
Yeah. So 20 days ago,
siku 20 zilizopita
something bad happened. It wasn't really good.
Kitu kibaya kilitendeka.
So we have to stop Brian, I don't know where he is, because he did something bad in our house.
Sasa anasema siku 20 zilizopita ilibidi tumesimamisha Brian kwa kitu kibaya alichotenda. Yes.
So after that situation, we have to investigate.
Baada ya hicho kisanga ilibidi tumefanya utafiti kujua nini inaendelea.
Yes. And funny thing is that from something bad that happened,
kitu cha ajabu ni kwamba kutokana na matendo mabaya yaliyofanyika,
yes, we discovered actually the life of this young boy. We didn't rush to judge or to punish, which maybe when you do something bad is the best option. Let's punish this boy who is doing something bad.
So anasema kijana yule Brian, wale mmefuata story mmeambiwa, sisi hatukuwahi kumwadhibu ama kumtupia maneno. Kitu tulifanya ni kwamba tulijaribu kutafuta kwa nini huyu kijana anafanya mambo kama haya.
So we investigate and we discover the life of this young boy.
Tukafanya utafiti tukajua maisha ya huyu kijana anaitwa Brian,
along with his grandma and all the situations that they were
pamoja na goko yake na yale maisha walikuwa wanaishi.
We make a few videos about it, and a lot of people from out the world, they saw it.
Tukafanya video kuhusu hiyo visanga Brian aliyotenda na maisha ya huu ule mji wa zamani tumeacha hama. Watu kutoka huko nje wakaona.
And once again, before deciding to punish this boy, they say this guy needs help.
Badala ya wao kusema, hey, huyu kijana adhibiwe, afungwe, wakaona huyu kijana anahitaji msaada ama usaidizi.
From that compassion that a lot of people show, especially all the people that watch our videos.
Kutokana na hiyo tu matendo mazuri watu walionyesha, yani walionyesha kutaka kumsaidia, kumkumbatia huyo kijana badala ya kumpiga viboko ama kushikwa ama kupelekwa polisi.
Yes. So we discovered that now the rest is history after that decision.
Kutokana na hiyo ile kumpea tu mkono wa kumsaidia, yote yamebadilika hivyo na yote yanakaa hivi kama historia sasa.
So number one, I learned that we don't have to rush to judge someone. We need to learn the story and to understand that maybe there's something in the background happening.
Kitu ya kwanza yeye kama yeye alijifunza ni kwamba usikuwe mtu wa haraka how do you say to judge? Uhukumu mtu. Usikuwe mtu wa haraka. Asante.
Mungu apewe sifa.
Mama simama wakupe zawadi. Zawadi. Waokoni. Mama simama.
Oi, sio nimulikia hapa. Nimulikia hapa nikipeleka zawadi hapa.
Changamka basi.
Asante kwa kungojea. Kuanzia wageni hapa mbele, wazee, alafu watoto kila kona. Asante. Oh, asante. Sawa. Tutakuwa hawa wazee watapangiwa. Wacha kwanza watu wapakiwe chakula ndani. Ngoja nisaidie kupangia hawa. Tutapanga kwa video. Sawa.
Tutapanda wote.
Hiyo.
It's time for Mankure now. It's time for eating. Watoto wako huko chini. It's time for eating. Time is for eating. It's time for taking meals. Right. Ile miti nataka nikupandie hata mimi. Na usiwahi haribu. Ndio itakuwa inanileta hapa kuona hiyo maua. Si ni kama ile iko huko kwangu. Guys, here is the party. Yeah, party is going on here. Party is going on here. Sasa mkisimama hivyo watu wa kusavu, watu watapita wapi? Woza. Sawa, watapita wapi huko hivi? Mkono itachoka. Leta.
We have meat there, cabbage. Chapati, Sing. Toa hii chini. Weka chini. Weka chini. Mtu anapanda juu. Hivi hapa juu.
Ona unapanda hapo. Ona huko hakuna njia Priska. Watengeneze huko njia.
Yaani, siwapite hapa. Unajua hapo mguu ya mtu toa. Hapa.
Wakusavu sasa ndo mugeuke.
Ona.
Wakusavu ndo mupande hapa juu.
Wakusavu tujeni juu.
Sasa mtu anapita.
Juu. Mugeuke hivyo.
Sina.
Nico Buddha is here. Yeah man. Yes. All right. Eh? You can see the party is here now. The party is here, guys. Party is here. Party is here, guys. You can see how is this big. Waza. Yeah, party is here, guys. Party is here. Yeah. Yes. Ken Chronicle. Kuna mtu amekusalimia hapa sasa.
Yes, how are you guys?
Video call imekata.
Video call imekata. Nitaongea na yeye.
Hata kupigia.
Amesema hataki nipigia.
Ona amenipigia ameniambia.
Chakula ni kizuri najua. Yaani hata wakifanya kibaya. Ana wivu. Najua mapishi yangu yanaenda kikombe.
Mambo ni masafi.
Mambo safi. Mambo fresh.
Mambo ya
It's party time, party time, party time, party time. This is ugari. This is Irish potato. Yeah. Wagwan. I'm fine. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah? I've not served yet. Yes. I want to serve, yes. People is partying here seriously, you can see.
Kwani watu walikuwa wengi kiasi?
Wewe chapo ikiisha sijara na ndio tu nitakula kwa hii party. Mimi nakula tu chapo.
Nini wewe unakaa huko nyuma?
wewe.
Watu wasonge jamani, watu wasonge.
Umefunga laini?
Naifunga na kufungua.
Kimalizia plate.
Yeah. Party time. You can see how the queue is too big. The line is too big queue here. Queue here is big. Here queue is big. You can see these all people have to take food. These all people here have to eat. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah, now it's time for opening the house, guys. Yeah. Yeah, it's time for opening. As you can see here, everyone have satisfied. Everyone have satisfied. Yeah, see the way children of this village are enjoying here. Are very enjoying, very busy enjoying taking meals. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Rasta.
Yes, sir.
I can see you. You're the one who finished everything.
Yes,
because I can see even a leg of hen is here.
Yes, a leg of hen must be there.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
You are the one who will take Vinono now.
I am the one in fact.
Okay. Let's go on. Yo.
Yes, today
How
we
are
are
you?
full. Today I'm telling you.
I can see.
We are very full stomach.
Yeah, you have.
Yes,
Okay.
My name is Keboy254.
Keboy.
Go there, guys, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Support me there.
Okay.
So today it's a great celebration. You see.
Great celebration.
Yeah,
Great
new
celebration.
gift to our
You
grandmother.
see.
So go
You
and
see, guys.
subscribe, guys.
Yeah.
And also comment.
Of course.
We love you guys.
We love you guys. One love. Let's show love, guys. Yeah, this is Keboy. All right. As you can see here, people is busy taking for food. Busy taking the food. Busy celebrating. People is busy here celebrating. Yeah. As you can see, the way you can see here. Yeah, it's time for opening now the house. Wait, tuenda kufungua nyumba bwana. Let us go and open. Tuenda tufungue nyumba.
Mpaka tuifungue leo. When we are entering inside brightly. Sasa Jamaica.
Wallahi sitatoka kwa sababu bosa amenibana. Sasa tuliwekea hata tubaliza hapo afu niwekea sasa.
Hautatoka. Juu ya hizi vitu ziko hapa.
Jamaican boy.
Woza.
You see here finally, man.
Finally is here. Yeah, man.
I've been waiting for this day almost 2 weeks now.
2 weeks, hey man.
Finally
2 weeks.
here, man.
2 weeks is not easy.
I have enjoyed 3 plates of food.
Yes. Which
Guys,
one?
Meat.
Yeah.
Rice.
Yeah.
Pilau.
Yeah.
Cabbage.
Yeah.
Guys, hey, check.
People come. So, you know.
Niko Buddha.
Brian ako wapi? Brian.
Yes, guys, you know now we want to open the house. It's time for opening the house now. To hand over the keys.
Guys, nearly half of the people have left.
Songa juu, shika nafasi. Unajua ni mimi umeona watakuja.
Haya, Brian. Niko kuja kukata ribbon. Makasi kwa. Tutaruhusu wazee wachache waingie na wamama wachache. Hii nyumba iko mpaka na carpet, iko na mafridge, lakini wengine mtatengeneza ugeni. Kwa sababu hatuwezi ingia wote kwa hiyo nyumba na imeoshwa. Sasa wale watu wa kuingia mkaribia hapo kwa laini hapo. Nataka mzee Joseph. Mzee Joseph. Pastor. Mama wa kijiji ni nani? Hapa mzee wa nyumba 10 hapo.
Na umechukua view yangu yote.
Almost up to
Haya, watu mkaribie. Huu ndio muda. Si mwingine. Mopa kwa wapi?
Ana inachukua akili yangu. Maripota mpaka hapo. Waandishi wa habari.
Daniel, it's time for breaking the virginity of this house.
Mbona kamera zote zimilika mzungu?
Mzungu ndiye anataka onekana kwa kamera. I want that man to also come. Anaitwa nani? Mikuni. Mkurugenzi Chacha. I want to. Mkurugenzi means guys, what you want to do is open the house.
Yeah.
Then this man of the village will go and see the house and they will bring the report. Then from there the rest you can visit. Unaweza kuja ugeni hapa baadaye. Usalimie kwa hata na ndizi na muti ya kupanda. Yes. Haya makasi iko wapi?
Daniel.
What?
Baba Mungu wa mbinguni, katika jina lako tunakushukuru kwa
Today again, Katia. Yes guys, thank you for watching, thank you for everything, thank you for watching guys, thank you for your subscribe, thank you for everything guys. You can see here, yeah, the party is going to end, the party is going to end guys, yeah, and as you can see here,
hello
as
guys,
you can see here, no, yeah, this is my brother here, yeah, okay guys, so I'm here. This is the last part. This is the last time here, man. Because as you can see, the party is over here, guys. The party is very over. The party is over. Yeah, as you can see, we have already break the house here, and we have already hand over the key to the someone special grandma. Yeah, that's what you can see, guys. Let me say thank you for your watch, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for everything guys. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to leave, and maybe tomorrow I will be here. Tomorrow I will be here planting my flower, yeah, which I have bring to Brian's, okay? Yeah, so guys, kindly follow me up, Jamaican Boy. Yeah, Jamaican Boy Africa. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your everything, guys. Yeah, I'm very happy to reach this moment here. I'm very happy to reach this moment here of today. You know, to reach today is not easy. Yeah, God have protect us to reach today, guys. You can see. Yeah, so guys, kindly thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Yeah, thank you for every support. Yeah, for everyone who have supported us, I can say thank you. And God bless you. Bye bye guys. Bye bye guys.